Hello everyone and welcome back to Afro Healthy Mind. And on this channel we share healthy recipes, wellness tips and nourishing foods to help you live a healthier lifestyle, one delicious meal at a time. Today's recipe is a healthy oat flour vegetable cake. This savory cake is soft, flavorful and packed with nutritious ingredients. It's perfect for breakfast, brunch, lunch or as a healthy snack. It's also a wonderful way to include more vegetables and whole grains in your daily meals. If you're excited to see more healthy recipes like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's get started. First, in a large mixing bowl, add 2 cups of oat flour. Oat flour is naturally rich in fiber, which helps keep you full longer and supports healthy digestion. It also provides important vitamins and minerals that make it a great alternative to refined white flour. Next, add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. This helps the cake rise and creates a soft, tender texture. Now add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, and a small pinch of nutmeg. Paprika gives the cake a warm, savory flavor, while nutmeg adds a subtle aroma that pairs beautifully with the vegetables. Whisk all the dry ingredients together until everything is evenly combined. In another bowl, crack 2 eggs. Eggs help bind the ingredients together while adding high quality protein. Pour in 1 cup of milk. Milk adds moisture and contributes calcium and protein. Next, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Olive oil contains heart-healthy unsaturated fats and helps keep the cake moist. Whisk the wet ingredients until they are smooth and well combined. Now slowly pour the wet mixture into the bowl with the dry ingredients. Stir gently until you have a thick, smooth batter. Be careful not to overmix because overmixing can make baked goods dense instead of light and tender. Now it's time to add the vegetables. Add 1 cup of grated carrots. Carrots are naturally rich in beta carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A supports healthy vision, healthy skin, and a strong immune system. Carrots also add natural sweetness and beautiful color to the cake. Next, add 1 cup of finely chopped spinach. Spinach is an excellent source of iron, folate, vitamin K, and antioxidants. It adds nutrients without overpowering the flavor, making it an easy way to eat more leafy greens. Fold the vegetables gently into the batter until everything is evenly mixed. Prepare a loaf pan or baking dish by lightly greasing it with a little olive oil or lining it with parchment paper. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and smooth the top with a spatula. Now for one of my favorite finishing touches, sesame seeds. Sprinkle sesame seeds generously over the top of the batter. Besides adding a beautiful appearance, sesame seeds provide healthy fats, calcium, magnesium, and a delicious nutty flavor that complements this savory cake perfectly. Place the pan into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius and bake for 35 to 45 minutes. While the cake is baking, your kitchen will be filled with the wonderful aroma of paprika, nutmeg, and freshly baked vegetables. To check if it's done, insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, your vegetable cake is ready. Remove it from the oven and allow it to cool for about 10 minutes before slicing. Cooling helps the cake hold its shape and makes slicing much easier. Look at that beautiful golden top with the toasted sesame seeds. The inside is soft, moist, colorful, and filled with nutritious vegetables in every bite. This oat flour vegetable cake pairs wonderfully with avocado, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, a fresh salad, or even a bowl of soup. You can also enjoy it on its own with a cup of tea or coffee. One of the things I love most about this recipe is how easy it is to customize. You can add chopped bell peppers, zucchini, mushrooms, herbs, or even a little cheese if you'd like. Feel free to make it your own while keeping it wholesome and nutritious. If you are meal prepping, this cake stores well in the refrigerator for several days, making it a convenient option for busy mornings or healthy lunches throughout the week.